Japan has launched the world's first hydrogen-fueled train, called the HYBARI, Hydrogen Hybrid Advanced Rail Vehicle. Developed by East Japan Railway Company in collaboration with Hitachi and Toyota, this train represents a new age of zero-emission mobility. Instead of diesel engines, the HYBARI runs on hydrogen fuel cells that generate electricity by combining hydrogen with oxygen, the only byproduct being pure water vapor. This makes it entirely carbon-free and remarkably quiet. During testing, the train achieved a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour, with a range of about 140 kilometers per full tank. Japan plans to expand the technology to rural and regional lines, where electrification is expensive. Hydrogen refueling stations are also being built along major routes. This innovation is part of Japan's green growth strategy, which aims for carbon neutrality by 2050. Beyond trains, the same hydrogen infrastructure could soon power trucks, ships, and even aircraft. The HYBARI is more than a train. It's a symbol of how hydrogen can replace fossil fuels in hard-to-electrify sectors, bringing the clean energy revolution to every corner of the transport system.